trying to save money, but then the Nike sale came, so you know I can't resist. What's mad is these are actually not trainers, it's clothing, and I don't know what's in which box, so it will kind of be a surprise to myself. I'm gonna do this one first, just because I feel like it. The best bit. Ooh. Nearly tore off my shoulder blade. Let me quickly see if the shipping information is there or not. Oh, let me just throw it down there. No return label. Mad. Yeah, let me just open this one up. Standard fit, an Air Max. It's a hoodie. Then I've got, I'm fighting with it. Doesn't tell me the fit. Please tell me the fit. It doesn't tell me. Oh, standard fit. Tapered leg, just what we like to see. Regular length. This is actually a poly tracksuit, but I only bought it because of zips on pockets. I love zips on pockets. Ooh, and I actually don't have any polyester tracksuits. Ooh, let's open up the hoodie. I'm actually very pleased with this. I haven't seen this in person because of COVID. I haven't been going to shops. Ooh, Air Max hoodie. Oh yes, it's got zips. Oh my. I'm so happy. I didn't even notice this. It didn't show in the pictures. Air Max. This is... I remember seeing this years and years and years ago. Oh my days, they brought it back. I'm so happy with this. I'm actually so happy with this. We love a standard fit. We love a tapered leg. Oh my days. I'm so happy. Oh my... I'm going to buy all the colours now. If my bank account lets me. Oh, I'm so happy. So this next one, this one better not be a letdown because I'm actually gassed. Let's see the best bit. I'm gonna injure my shoulder. There's no shipping labels, like return labels. What's going on? Nike, talk to me. Let's do the top first. It's a bit different. It looks quite... I don't think they've done this before. They're trying to do a new little washed thing. Standard fit. We love a standard fit. I've bought a couple of things recently and the standard fit has not really been standard. I like this. It's not amazing, mind-blowing or anything. It definitely looks like it's been worn a million times. I like it. I actually do. I like it. I like it, but it's not as exciting as the Air Max tracksuit with zips everywhere. It's just a plain tracksuit. Yeah, I haven't got any negative feedback. Worn in stand out. Perfection is overrated. That's why we use a special process to create unique color saturations, making every item completely one of a kind. You know what annoys me about Nike? They say one of a kind, but they made a million. It's really nice material. It's not thick. It's just like a... I don't even know how to explain it, but it's not thick. It is real nice, and it does look like it will fit me well. And what I actually like about these type of joggers when they're loose fit is that once you wash them once, they'll, you know, be your size a bit more. But that's actually really nice. I've got some nice Nikes, just white Air Forces will go with these. I've got some nice blue Nikes. Let's see if they look well. But I have to say, this This is amazing. I mean, zips. Oh, mate, you got zips. Look at those zips, man. Just look at those zips. This is amazing. I need like 10 more pairs. I love zips. All tracksuits should have zips. If the tracksuit doesn't have zips, I don't know. It has to have zips. It should be against the law of no zips. Because then I don't need to carry a bag. I don't need to, you know, try to put 100 things in my pockets and then think, oh, where's my stuff? Or, you know, it's a bit mad. I don't have to worry about dropping things. Oh, mate. I really like this tracksuit. Just a quick one. What I like to add in my videos is how I would wear it, because maybe some people may like the thing, they don't know how to wear it. Just this tracksuit alone. White Air Forces. I actually have the utility, so the all white with the black sketch pattern print on there, which I think will kind of go with that. Even though it's an Air Max, I'll wear Air Forces. I really don't care, but I just wear white Air Forces with this. Let the tracksuit stand out. The other one, it's gonna sound funny, I'd wear white Air Forces with that too, but I do have navy blue Air Max 95s, navy blue and white, which may go well with this. But I bought this because winter season's coming, and yeah, winter season's coming. It's getting cold. Need something to lounge around in. But whoever's watched this much of me rambling, thank you very much. It's actually been longer than most of my videos. For some reason, I can talk a lot today. It's actually crazy. But yeah, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And take care, guys. Hopefully, my bank account allows me to buy more stuff so I can make a lot more videos. Take care. Bye.